Betterment, a real estate investment app review. Want hands-off real estate investing? Betterment, known for stock and bond robo-advising, offers indirect real estate investment through REITs within diversified portfolios. While not dedicated to real estate, it's perfect for passive real estate integration. Automated portfolio management simplifies REIT investing. Betterment includes REITs in its recommended asset allocation, granting real estate exposure without property management hassles. This suits investors seeking diversification and passive income from various property types. Betterment's goals-based investing tailors your portfolio to your objectives, adjusting your real estate allocation for optimal returns and risk management. It's ideal for beginners wanting real estate exposure without in-depth research. Betterment also boasts tax-efficient strategies like tax loss harvesting and automatic rebalancing, maximizing returns and minimizing your tax burden. For more control, customize your portfolio's REIT allocation. Increase your real estate focus if you believe in its growth potential. Remember, Betterment offers REIT-based exposure, not direct ownership or crowdfunding. Returns are tied to market performance, not individual properties. Betterment is ideal for automated, diversified portfolios with REIT-based real estate. Its user-friendly interface, tax efficiency, and personalized approach provide passive real estate investing. Explore the links below to see if Betterment fits your investment goals. This review helps determine if Betterment is right for your real estate portfolio needs.